Hello. So, my class is taking a field trip to the Magic House in St. Louis to learn about the basic components of science by the technology, playing, entertainment, and learning centers provided at the Magic House. So, we are learning about science and the basic composures of science, which are the land, the sea, and the air and space. So here are some of the exhibits that we plan on using and going through and walking through at the Science Center. So the nature play exhibit is super cool. You can make like here about the water ponds and the sticks and the mud through nature, which is what we are learning about. It's more hands-on for the students. You can also go to the STEAM Center, which was one of my personal favorites. It says here you can experiment, create, calculate, and invent and make discoveries as they participate in a variety of activities focused on science. This is cool because they get to use engineering and make it kind of their own to learn. Um, the Wonder Why Early Childhood Center is why I teach kindergarten. I want them to use very different hands-on activities where they can learn how to use these different things and explore, sort, and classify and organize. They can use this for science and the planets and different things. And there's some other little tinier um, and structures that use science that we can look at while walking through the magic house. Charged ball, spin the giant kaleidoscope. There's just many different structures and exhibits that use science. And since we're learning the broad spectrum of science, I wanted to take them here because just everything is based off science in the world. And I think the students are really going to like that. So now I'm going to show the permission slip that I have typed up. So it says Miss Olivia's class will be taking a field trip to the Magic House in St. Louis to discover the basic components of science. We will depart from the school at 7 a.m. and return around 2 p.m. With only 10 students in my class, we will be carpooling. Please fill out the bottom information for your child and sit at home with him or her by May 5th, 2023. So here you write your child's name if your child's going. A sack lunch will be provided, or you can eat at the Magic House for $10 and send that money with your permission slip back to the school. Would you like to chaperone and drive? So we're going to have two cars. Um, or three, it doesn't matter. I will be driving with the principal as well. We can take however many kids. If you want to chaperone, we could take another child and different children. If you answer yes to this question and you would like to go, please reach out to me at my email. I'm very excited to go to the Magic House so these students can just be hands on and learn about science. They've been doing so well in the classroom learning about it, and I just want to see them grow and see what they've learned and putting that learning to actual physically. I just want to see how much knowledge they have, and they've just been learning so well and they've just been doing so good. So I think this is an awesome opportunity to go here. Thank you.